What's up, guys? This is Justin Spencer here, and in this video I'm going to use a strategy of thinking that Charlie Munger first introduced to Alex Hormozi, who introduced to me. So here's how to do the opposite of what you probably want in life. Here's how to fail at business and stay broke for forever. It's great writing down how to fail because it tricks your mind into thinking, oh, all I have to do is avoid these things and then I can get what I actually want. We actually respond better, a lot of us, avoiding pain than pursuing pleasure. So this is a thinking approach to becoming more successful at business and life, which involves avoiding pain rather than pursuing pleasure. So here's how to fail at business and stay broke for forever. Don't create a product or service. That's the first thing. If you want to be broke forever, you want to be poor, do not create a product. Do not create your own product or brand or service. That's how you can stay broke. Now, obviously, if we try to avoid this problem, that would be the opposite, right? Do not hire a mentor who makes what you want to make doing what you want to do. So if there's a guy out there who's making $100,000 a month doing X or Y or Z in a certain business model or a certain business strategy or approach, do not hire this person. And do not let him show you what he's doing because you might become successful. So don't pay this guy, avoid him like crazy. Otherwise, you might end up learning something and following through and, becoming a lot more successful than you are right now. Don't direct message anybody if you want to be poor and broke. If your goal is to be poor and broke, do not DM anybody, because if you DM somebody, what can happen is that means you can network, and that means you can find connections to people that can help you become a lot more successful. So don't network with people, stay in your corner, stay alone, do not connect with people. Don't run ads. This is a huge no-no. If you want to be poor and broke, do not run ads, because the problem is if you run ads, people might like your product or your service or your brand or your message. That's a huge problem if you want to stay broke and poor, because people could actually buy your stuff and you can make money. That's that's totally, that's going to go against your goal of staying broke. Don't share stories and don't create any content, because people suddenly know you exist if you share stories and you share content and the messaging is good. So definitely don't share stories and definitely don't create any content. Please do not attend live calls with your coach or your group coaching cohort, because if you attend these calls, the problem is you could become dangerous and your skills could become greatly enhanced by tactics, techniques, approaches, case studies, strategies that could unfortunately lead to you making more money and getting more customers, improving your messaging and your marketing and your products and your services and solutions and your delivery. So do not do these things, otherwise you're going to be successful. I hope you got some value out of this video and this alternative way of thinking about how to be an entrepreneur and how to become successful at business and life. This has been Justin Spencer. Please smash the like button if you got any value out of this video. I know it's short and simple and to the point. And if you like more content on entrepreneurship, I recommend the next one you should watch right now on the top left. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to go on this journey with you. Thanks. Bye for now.